If you're looking for a simple and effective way to manage compliance for your global team, Deel might just be the solution you need. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use Deel for compliance management, making it easy to stay on top of your international workforce's legal requirements. Stick around to the end because I've got an exclusive offer for a free trial, so you can try Deel for yourself with some added bonuses. Deel is an all-in-one platform for managing global teams, but one of its standout features is its powerful compliance management tools. Whether you're hiring remote workers, contractors, or full-time employees across different countries, Deel ensures you're staying compliant with each region's laws. The best part? You can automate a lot of the tedious work. First, when you log into Deel, you'll see a simple dashboard that makes it easy to manage compliance for all your employees worldwide. To get started, simply input the country your team member is in, and Deel will automatically generate the legal documents specific to that location. This includes contracts, tax forms, and any other required paperwork for that jurisdiction. No more manual hunting for country-specific documents. What makes Deel stand out is its ability to help you stay on top of local labor laws. Hiring in different countries often means navigating complex tax laws, work permits, and other regulations. Deel simplifies this by ensuring all the contracts you create are legally compliant with the country's labor laws. Deel even helps you track when renewals or updates to these documents are due, saving you time and hassle. The platform also has built-in tools to manage taxes for international employees. You don't need to worry about confusing tax calculations, as Deel will handle it for you. With a compliance management system, you can automatically generate and send tax-related documents, making the entire process far more efficient and less error-prone. Another great feature of Deel's compliance management system is its flexibility when it comes to payments. Whether your team members are based in the US, Europe, or anywhere else, Deel makes it simple to pay them in their local currency while ensuring all payments are compliant with tax and labor laws. Deel also integrates with your accounting system, so you don't have to worry about syncing data across multiple platforms. If you need to hire contractors, Deel can automatically generate contracts that comply with local tax rules. This is particularly helpful when dealing with freelancers in different countries, as Deel ensures you're meeting the legal requirements for independent contractors, protecting you and the contractor from any legal issues down the road. The best part? Deel helps with compliance even when it comes to employee benefits. You can offer your international team benefits like health insurance and retirement plans, with Deel ensuring that they align with the legal requirements in each country. This feature helps you build a more attractive offer for global talent without worrying about regulatory complications. Now, before I wrap up, I want to mention something exciting. You can use Deel completely for free through the first link in the description below. Not only that, but with our exclusive offer, you can access an extended free trial, giving you the chance to explore all the powerful compliance tools Deel has to offer. By the time you finish watching, you'll understand how Deel can make compliance management for your global team much more manageable, and you'll be ready to give it a go yourself. Make sure to grab your extended free trial today.